Here is a wonderful 2020 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, heated front seat, power driver's seat, intermittent wipers. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.